$100,000, at least. Well, I'm worth it, right?
You're not kidnapped. Jesus.
Then take me home.
On vacation, all right?
Dad, you come to Montana, wait for me outside school. We cross into Canada. You call Mom 3 times. You never call Mom. Oh, I'm okay, Mom. We're having fun.
What do you do all day?
We're in Canada, Dad.
Well, I'd laugh with you. You owe me for that.
We're making ransom calls.
God damn it there, Joey. I told you I didn't kidnap you. You're my kid. We're supposed to do stuff like this. It's good for you.
Mom won't give you any money for me?
Oh, Joey. I need the money. I'm busted flat. You want to go to Arizona with me?
I'd starve, Dad.
We could eat grass.
There's no grass in Arizona.
Golf courses.
They never let us on.